Once again, we are here at St. Andrews Airport, and it's the first autocross event since I put the new gear ratio, new limited slip diff, and balanced drive shaft in the car. Also, I am able to set the shocks at my starting setting at the last event, from the last event, so that should be good. Or, you know, give me a chance to get more runs on a setup that I know works. So we'll see how I do. Obviously, there's no other Cam T cars racing today, so it's all for packs. So I got to compete against some really fast BS, CS, and DS cars. Well, I guess there's maybe an H. Anyways, yeah, there's an HS car too that's very zippy. So we'll see how it goes. The course looks good. Looks like it has some good speed to it. And three pivot cones. Now, the new gear ratio I have is going to hurt me on the pivots because I used to just leave it in second gear and accelerate out. It's going to be harder now with the taller gears, but shouldn't be too bad. Camaro still has a ton of power, so it should all be good. Anyways, and I'm going to try some new camera angles for you today. So yeah, and if I can get the draggy working, I think I know how the draggy works now, so I should be able to get some good footage and data, G-forces and speeds and all that stuff on a video. So wish me luck. I'm back in the garage. The event is over. By now I will have shared the video of a couple of my runs. I had some really good video angles. I'm gonna have to, the one where I hang it off this, that's very cool. It's a very cool angle. It also, when I reviewed the angle of that video, I was able to see that I was locking up the rear slightly. And so a couple of clicks on my brake bias knob and fixed it completely. Anyways, yeah, car felt great. It definitely changed the handling, changing that rear diff. The rear diff was, the old one made the car understeery, and I did sway bar changes to deal with the understeer. With that problem gone, the car went into oversteer. So I was able to deal with it with just shock settings. But as a more permanent change, I'm gonna stiffen up the front sway bar. I didn't have the tools to do it at the event. Otherwise, I probably could have stiffened that up, but I didn't bring wrenches for that. So anyways, car was great. And I had the 7th fastest raw time, and I finished 11th in packs. So it was really good. Big success. Car felt great. No overheating issues. Didn't run hot at all. I was able to shut it off between runs. I didn't even need to cool it off. So yeah, there we are. And next video is going to be dyno time. So tomorrow I am putting the thing on the dyno. Haven't decided whether I'm going to try some high octane stuff in there or not. I don't know. I will decide that this evening. So there's that. Yeah, dyno time. That'll be exciting. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed the video from the event. And it's just, you know, one more thing that I really enjoy doing with this car. And I hope to do many, many more of those. Okay, see you in the next one.